What's up, Dyches Fam?
What's up, guys?
How you guys doing today?
Good.
You guys are doing pretty good? Well, we hope you guys are doing fantastic as well, because we're doing awesome. Where are we headed right now, kids?
Brian Head.
Brian Head. That's right, we had the kids come to school for a couple hours. They didn't even know that they were gonna get checked out today. But we checked them out early because we're gonna go have some fun in the snow, right?
Oh, yeah.
And with our cousins.
Yes.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
Me and Mom have been packing all morning. We just gotta finish a few things and we're gonna get on the road. But first we gotta go get some food. These kids are hungry.
Yeah.
So where are we gonna go eat?
Burger King. Fine with me.
All right, here we come, the king of burgers.
Go.
Let's go! Oh man.
Burger King, Burger King, Burger King, Burger King.
Have it your way. Who's excited for Burger King?
Hey.
We got the goods. Who's ready to eat some Burger King? Have it your way.
Burger King. Burger King. I'm the king of Burger King.
Hey kids,
Yeah?
who's the king of burgers?
Burger King. Burger King.
Tell these guys hello.
Hello.
No, you gotta look at them.
Hello.
Say, what's up, Dyches Fam?
What's up, Sam?
How are you doing today, Baba?
Good?
Good. You excited to go down to the cabin?
Yes.
Yeah. How's your foot doing today, though?
Good.
It's still hurting a little bit, though, huh?
Yeah. It beeps when it knows it's gonna get hurt again.
It beeps.
Accident.
He's been saying that there's like a heartbeat in his foot, and it's throbbing. So we're hoping that it's not broken, though. Hi. You want to say peace, Dyches Fam? So what's up, Dyches Fam? Peace. Rozzy Bear's doing good. He's got his quack quack. You got a quack quack? Hi. She'd rather be YouTubing.
I'd rather be YouTubing.
So we're just getting loaded up and the kids are gonna eat and then we're gonna hit the road. You ready to go to the cabin?
And guys, we also went to another cabin.
We also went to another cabin?
Yep.
Oh, with our YouTube friends, huh?
Yep.
Look how handsome William looks today. You look handsome, dude.
I like this one.
Yeah, look,
Thanks, Phil.
it looks good on you.
He likes that shirt.
Burger King, Burger King, eat your Burger King. Dyches Fam, we're officially on our road trip.
Woo! Hey, what's up?
Hey, everybody in the back.
Remember, that's a hat.
William's wearing his Dyches Fam hat. Oh wait, I'm wearing my Dyches Fam hat. We're twinners. Twins. Twins. Children,
Yeah.
you guys excited?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna be doing some tubing this weekend, some snowboarding, and playing with our cousins in the snow. Is it gonna be fun?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Roswell, you have anything to say? Roswell? Huh? Hi. Okay, Mom, you excited for this trip?
It's a lot of work to pack up for all these people, but I think it's gonna be worth it.
It takes hours.
It's exhausting.
But we're finally on the road at a decent time. It's not a terrible time.
We might get there before it's dark. That would be a miracle.
Yeah, I don't know about that. All right, guys, join us on our journey. Hi. Hopefully that baby takes a nap. If not, it's gonna be a long ride.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's get out of here.
Rozzy, where's the snow? Where's the snow? He keeps saying snow. Say snow. We're making a pit stop in this little town called Beaver, Utah. And we gotta run into the Shopco and pick up some supplies for the weekend. Shopco, hometown Beaver. Is that what the cats do? Oh, he's fighting at the little animals.
Rozzy.
Do it again. Oh, is that the dog too right there? Rozzy found a toy to play with.
Dad, I found a book.
Rosie, what did we find? The balls? Oh, he wants the Paw Patrol one. Hey, look, Rosie.
Oh, those got spiders in it.
Ooh, those are real spiders. Bug sky ball. Look, there's a real spider. He won't even pick it up. He's like scared of it. Say thanks, sissy.
It feels weird.
Dude, those are crazy. There's bugs in these ones. I forgot to show you guys, but I found a bag of jerky full of mold in it.
What?
I should have showed you guys. It would have been cooler. What are you getting, bud? Oh, man. Do you like licorice?
Yes! Licorice!
Okay, let's see if you can hula. Hula, hula.
Oh my heck, you are good at that. Shake it. Go, 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 go.
Show me the football. Get the one with the bugs in it. He doesn't want to touch it. Kick it. Christina, did you want to get some Tide Pods?
No, you may not eat these. Kids, these are not good for your health. Do not eat them.
No, no. It's like it looks like the spiders are jumping. It's creepy. You want to hold this one? Rosie, hold this one. He's scared.
Here. I got him to touch
Oh,
it.
yeah, he wouldn't hold that for me. Okay, make it goal, buddy. Goal, Tayden, you're so good. What'd you get, bud? A Spider-Man Doodles book?
Yeah, I guess. You can get to doodle stuff.
Don't you just want to play notebook that you can doodle in? Okay. They're okay. They're not gonna hurt you. Look, they're not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna hurt you. They're not real. They're not real. It's not real, buddy. Look, they're not real. They're fake. It's okay. They're fake. See, they're not real. We just made him terrified of these fake little spiders. Oh, he's getting the spider one. Oh, it's got spiders. Oh, he's like creepy.
Like pens.
Is that scary? It's okay. They're not gonna hurt you bad. He's out of here. Okay, make it go.
Dad, I'm gonna go.
Yeah. Okay, we survived Shopko and Beaver.
We bought way too much. It's like you go into a new store you've never been into before and everything's so much more exciting for some reason.
Yeah, but that was so funny seeing Roswell's reaction to the balls with the spiders in it.
I wouldn't touch that either. That was scary.
Did everybody get something they liked? Looks like we picked up a hula hoop. He was excited to get to the cabin. That's the mountain we're gonna climb. Guys, did you know that?
See
Brian
it?
Head is right up that way.
That is like, those mountains look like a pyramid. Like, look at the way they're cut. It's so cool.
We're at this place called Parowan and we're gonna get some dinner before we head up the canyon.
Yeah, our cute sister-in-law, Kenzie, do you guys know her?
Yeah, she's actually from here too.
Yeah. And her aunt owns this little restaurant here, so we're gonna go check it out.
Yeah.
School? It's so
Home of the Rams.
Their school's so cute.
Hey, this is where we're eating dinner.
There's
Parowan
even a
Cafe.
Pizzeria.
Rosie, what do you see? What do you call it?
No.
No, it's snow. Go touch the snow. Oh, is that cold? Snow! How dare you? Oh, you little jerk. No!
I didn't hit you.
No! Okay, so we're at the Parowan Cafe. And you can see the sign back here. Uh-oh. And that guy just ran into that car over there. Oh, shit. Crunch time. Anyways, You can see the sign. That's Brian Head on the top there. That's where we're headed. Did you see that crunch time over there? Everybody hug. Everybody hug. Cousins. Give me 5. What's up, Britt? Give me 5. Hi. Oh man. Food is here. That bacon's good, huh? William got a sourdough cheeseburger. Roswell, you gonna have some of my chicken? Aiden, what did you get?
Steak and fries.
Steak and fries. McCoy, what did you get? Oh, hi, Joni. Welcome to the trip. Yeah, it is. McCoy, what did you get for dinner?
Bacon.
Bacon. Those rolls, oh my gosh, they're so good.
It's like 2.
Delicious. And I got a salad. Okay guys, we got done eating. We just gassed up the van and now we're headed up the canyon.
Bellies are full, car is full. Let's go.
Yeah, except it's dark outside, so it's gonna be hard to see where we're going. So hopefully we don't get lost. Right guys? Yeah, or if not, we'll have to sleep in the van all night.
Ooh.
Does that sound like fun to you guys?
Yeah. No.
At least William's honest. Let's go.
Let's go.
Well, we're in a little bit of a predicament. Christina just got out and tried to push us up this hill. It didn't work.
Ha! That's not true. Our Josh isn't strong enough.
We can't seem to make it up this.
Guy asked if we should bring our truck or if the roads were plowed, and they said they were plowed, but the problem is that they've gotten a fresh dusting of snow in the last couple hours.
And it's slick underneath, so here, let's try it again. We're gonna have to get a running start at it.
The longer we try, the more snow comes down and the slicker it gets. The snow! Oh man, don't go into the snowbank.
Oh, we keep getting higher and higher every dang time. We made it!
I called the cavalry and was like, sorry guys, we're not gonna make it. And then while I was doing that, Josh made it.
I wheelied up that thing. Guys, we made it!
We made it!
And we almost hit a deer on the way up.
There was a mysterious deer that came and helped us, because that was all of a sudden we come up and there's a deer in the road. But now second problem is like the driveway's crazy steep, so we don't know what to do.
Thanks, lucky deer man. I was focused on trying to hit the deer and forgot that we were stuck. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a problem. This is where we're staying.
You guys are here, it's so awesome!
We made it, kind of.
It's so awesome in here.
Now I just gotta find where to park, because there's no way I can park on this slope.
I'm just gonna go look at the cameras everywhere.
Oh man.
Right, there's cameras up there and you can like look at people. Yeah.
Oh, you can?
Well, you can
okay. Alright, I'll go get my family. Holy cow, we made it. Crazy, but I don't know where we're gonna park, because this is way too steep. There's our van. Christina's driving it, I hope. We made it.
Yay! We did.
We almost didn't make it.
That's what you should have recorded.
We recorded some of that. But we turned it off on the one we made it up. We recorded like 30 runs. We got my sister-in-law, Joni.
Hey,
She's here. And then her parents are here joining us. We got Wendell over there and Bonnie. Hi, guys. And then Christina, of course, and
We're trying to get warmed up. Dad got a fire started for us, and
Actually, Brock did. Brock's the one who got it going.
That's true.
And then we got three wild boys over here. Hey, look at me. We made it, guys. Is that awesome, William? Did you think we were ever going to make it here? No, you didn't. Brittany, she's hanging out in the kitchen. Give me 5. This is a really cool cabin. This is the family room, the living room area, and then back here we have the kitchen, or the dining room. This is the dining room. And then Brittany's dancing in the...
Ow!
She's kind of dancing in the kitchen, right?
Yeah.
Then let's go look at the rest of the house. So there's a basement. I don't know what's down there. Is anybody in these rooms? Okay, we got a bathroom in here. Cool. We got a bedroom in here. Another bedroom in here. Let's see what's upstairs. Oh wait. Closet, coat closet. Oh, we got some beds in here. Cool. Oh, big bed up here. Oh, big bathroom in here. Toilet. Look at that. Cool. Hi, guys. I'm in the bathroom. There's a big old tub. Shower. Look at that. I can see Christina coming up the stairs.
You were so sad and you wanted to visit that.
Hi. You were just on the TV, dude. Then there's this little overlook. Hey, boys, you're still in the same spot. Hi. Tatum, give me a peace sign or something. Yeah, there we go. There's Joni down there. Going out to find some wood or something. Oh, good luck going out on that patio. We got a bearskin rug up there. What's in the basement, Joni?
Dead body.
Uh-oh. Okay, well, we're at the cabin officially. Mom, what do you think?
It's good. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
As soon as it gets warmed up in here, it's so good.
Yeah, I'm warmed up. I've been packing stuff in and trying to push the van. You guys didn't see me, but I was trying to push the van up that little hill.
He was trying really hard.
Oh.
Trying.
You knocked that off. I tried really hard. We're gonna get situated and just hang out. Fun times ahead. It is snowing. Look at these trees. This is so cool. This is like the back patio, but you can't really see anything because it's covered in snow, but look at them trees. How cool is that? You having any fun at the cabin? Yeah? You having any fun at the cabin? Yeah? We're watching a movie. A series of unfortunate events. Right? Isn't that what it's called, LaQuain? Christina's putting the baby to bed. We're just hanging out. Gonna go to bed soon because we gotta wake up early in the morning to go snowboarding and skiing. It's gonna be a fun day. So be sure to tune in tomorrow and see what we're up to. See what adventures we're having. Good night from the Dyches Fam. Good night. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, Dyches Fam.
Peace out.
William's excited. McCoy's going to bed. She's tired. Thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace out, Dyches Fam. What?